Today we'll be checking back in with Ripple's XRP coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see XRP go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into Ripple's XRP coin, guys. If you'd like to buy XRP or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. As you can see, we are actually performing quite well since we last took a look at XRP. As anticipated, this trend has played out, but we did fall briefly below our key level of support, but Bitcoin rallied, pushing up all the other cryptos with it, of course, XRP included. What that also enabled us to do was break out of this overall downwards trending channel that we were already sitting in. That's absolutely fantastic and big news. We've also managed to get back above our key area of resistance, which was sitting at the 34-cent mark. We hit that key point of resistance following that at 38 cents as well, a nice test, and broke above two moving averages, the 20 and the 50 day. We're now resting at a price of 35 cents, and it looks like we're going through a bit of a pullback or consolidation back down to test that 50-day moving average, or of course that 34-cent mark. They're basically at the same spot at this point in time, but at the moment we're looking pretty healthy. Unlike other coins we've looked at over the past few days, we have not broken out, in my opinion, yet. The key to breaking out will be to exceed this line, in my opinion, at the 38-cent point. So what we're going to do is basically extend this line out, as well as extend our overall trend over here as well. Just move that one, shift it up there, and you can see that we are sort of getting to a critical point where we are tightening and a breakout should hopefully occur. Volume wise, nothing special going on at this point in time. Moving average wise though, let's just have a look. That 20-day moving average is now crossing upwards towards the 50-day moving average. If that cross occurs, we should see a nice pump in XRP, as it indicates that the trend has reversed overall. Let's have a look at the RSI. The RSI is showing us that most of the price action is buying action. It has really been this way basically since the 13th of June. A consolidation and accumulation period is currently ongoing, which is very good. The RSI is now sitting at 54.74 after peaking on the 19th of July at 61.35. So really looking quite positive from that perspective. Still plenty of room to move upwards on there as well. MACD, let's have a look at this. And the MACD, once again, we've seen that 12-day EMA reject the 26-day EMA, and we are continuing our trend. Of course, a little bit of, I suppose, a pullback has resulted in that 12 days starting to flatten out a bit and the 26-day to catch up. But based on what we're seeing, I don't expect to see a cross. In fact, I think we're going to see either another rejection, or they're not even going to touch. So overall, looking very good. Worst case scenario for us would be a cross of that 12-day EMA below the 26-day EMA, but I really can't see that happening as long as the overall market continues to move in an upwards direction. So what is my price target? Well, first and foremost, I think it should be relatively clear at this point in time what that actually is. And it should be a break of this 38-cent mark. That is going to be absolutely critical right now. So what I'm going to do is draw in what I expect to occur over the next few days, something a bit like that. And there are a few triggers going for us, or a few indicators that suggest we are going to break in that sort of a direction. I'm also going to extend out the longer term target over here, which is sitting at the 50-cent mark. After we break the 38 cents, that 50-cent mark is going to be very critical moving forward, and hopefully we can see some movement towards that, not too quickly obviously, in a steady and calm motion over the coming few weeks. What we're really aiming for here is to see higher highs and higher lows and put a good uptrend back in place. That wraps up today's analysis of Ripple's XRP coin, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comment section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you do leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.